This is gonna be the sanding station. I got these casters on Amazon, pretty cheap, only about 15 bucks for 4 of them. And they hold like 600 pounds. So 2-inch casters with a lock. They're gonna go right on the bottom here. It's gonna lift it above my elbow height, which is gonna be uncomfortable. So I need to chop some volume off these legs in order to make it manageable height. Oh, there you go. Nice. Here it is. Here is the sanding station. I got my 2 pieces mounted on here. Put it on casters. Everything is mobile. Everything can move. Dust collection on the back here. All my small hand tools. Black bin that has my orbital sanders, hoses, and things like that. Yeah, I'm pumped. Let's go make something.